So just got a new light fixture that we're going to be putting into one of our bathrooms. It's chrome plated, so it's got a really nice bright shine to it. The frosted glass gives it kind of a timeless look. All the wiring is set to go straight to the back. You have your two, so it's two lights, so you two hookups, right? Two neutral, two live wires, and then the grounding wire as well. You get the mounting bracket, also it's all included, so it makes the install super easy. I'm really excited to go ahead and put this up in our bathroom and then show you guys the finished product and how it looks. I'm not sure, I think you can hang them either way, depending on how much clearance you have. I think in our bathroom we're going to be going up with them, but it's nice to kind of have that option to go any direction that you want. So next step is going to be to go ahead and do the install, and I'll show you guys what it's like. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and do a quick install, and I'll show you guys how it goes together. So there you have it. It was super easy to install. Looks really nice. Comes with everything that you need. Nice polished chrome, kind of matches the rest of the style for our bathroom. We'll go ahead and clean up the top a little bit. But all in all, it was really easy to install and it looks great.